Here we have a MacBook 15-inch Pro. It's a mid-2010 running High Sierra. It can run maximum 10.13, nothing newer. It has 4GB RAM, Intel i5 CPU, and Intel HD graphics. As you can see, it's charging. Battery is just replaced with a new one. You can see it's charging there. And while it's turning on, I'm waiting for it. Let's have a look on the other side. We got the DVD and the Kensington lock as usual, standard. And the screen on this is a matte finish, not a glossy one. It has a backlit keyboard as well. The webcam, everything works fine, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all the keys. And it comes with a compatible charger. And the hard drive is a 320GB normal hard drive. There is SSD upgrade options available, a 240GB SSD or a 480GB SSD. Message me for details.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.